I'm trying to make a much more usable area for the kids, so in this video we're gonna make them a cute little art station, but in better weather.
Every spring, our backyard becomes full of life again. Bees everywhere, flowers waking up, and kids wanting to be outside longer. And honestly, I am for that. But I wanted to create a little space for them out on the patio as an art station, somewhere where they can be messy, somewhere it's easy to clean, also for them to just be kids. We did have one tiny problem. The bees apparently already claimed this corner first, and before anyone worries, we love our pollinators around here. We actually want to make a little pollinator space for them later on, just not where the kids are playing because my son is terrified. So now we need to clean all of this up and make it usable for the kids' PlayStation.
So online, I saw on Instagram a post about how this mom did this thing for their kids so they can have like a drawing space, and I want to do the same thing. I'll link the video where I saw it in the descriptions because I don't remember who it was right now. But basically all you need is these screws. Then you're gonna need these spacers, and then maybe 2 hanger hooks just in case. Also, you would need a glass, and then a drill with some drill bits because you want to drill in the hole first. What I'm actually going to do first is measure out where the holes should go. And I kind of want it here.
This part took longer than I expected because I was terrified of messing up the plexiglass, and there's something stressful about knowing you would need to commit and drill into it. So I really wanted to take my time on measuring where the screws would go.
Now we're gonna use our drill bits. And what we want to do is first, we just have to find the right sizing for this in the drill bits. So, oh, maybe this guy will work. Let's try and see. And the key is going slow. I'm scared.
Why?
Because I've never done it. Okay, no, I need a different way. I need to put it down. Let's try it. Slow, go slow.
Lava.
That's right, voila. Now let's see if this nail will fit. Ooh, it's tight. It's tight.
Oh, I'm gonna do some magic.
Okay, let's try again.
Yes.
Hold it steady. Okay, so the spacer fell. Change it for the screw head.
At this point, I called my husband outside because I needed another set of hands, mostly for emotional support, but also because getting the first screw in evenly was way harder than I expected.
Even?
Yep.
I love doing this project because it wasn't about being perfect, but creating a small little space for my kids to enjoy themselves. As I was putting in the final touches, I wasn't the only one that was excited for this art station to be usable, and it was actually very encouraging to see this. I absolutely love the fact that my son just opened the paint on his own and started drawing, because he asked for permission and I technically gave it to him, but I thought he meant at a later time. Follow for more videos like this where I'm gonna continue trying to make our home more livable and fun for us.
So we're just gonna put these here for now, and then we're gonna keep all the pink colors in here. We still have to round out the glass edges here for safety, but we don't have like the grinder yet, so when we get that, that's what we'll do. But this is how the setup will look, and then like all his other stuff is just gonna be like hanging here, or we can just even like put it here. Still in the process of trying to figure out what's the best thing to do.
I just wanted this little station to be accessible for both kids, because baby girl is not that tall yet and I want her to still be able to play on here. And here's a demonstration of my son actually using it. Not only is he using brush, he was using a little like sponge thing. Follow for more videos like this